is a bundle of pent-up emotions, years of thoughts I never learned to properly express. All I am is a body going through the motions, years of mindlessly digging myself into this mess. I digress. All my anger simmers just too light to reach the surface, years of fumbling with thoughts left spitefully unsaid. All my teardrops are too weak to lift this from my shoulders, years of leaving me with dry eyes and a clouded head. Like I said, there's a kitchen timer ticking as water boils on the stove. Days go by and I keep thinking how long till I finally explode. All the time you spent with me, you've been a perfect partner. Years of finding all the words that I could never say. Every time that I get worse, my dear, it makes it harder. But if I told you to move on from me again today, would you still stay? Every time I wake and see you've texted me good morning, darling, there's a shred of guilt I never seem to shake. I've been running for too long to face my own affections, and I fear when I find the courage it will be too late. You shouldn't wait. There's a kitchen timer ticking as water boils on the stove. Days go by and I keep thinking how long till I finally explode. Seven years now I've been trying and failing just to put to paper all the things that you mean to me. 7 years now and there's been progress, but surely you're built for bigger things than me. There's a kitchen timer ticking as water boils on the stove. Days go by and I keep thinking it's better if I just let you go. There's a kitchen timer ticking as water boils on the stove. Days go by and I keep thinking how long till I finally explode.